Welcome. So today we will see how to boot Kali Linux in virtual machine. So firstly we need a virtual machine where we can boot our Kali Linux. To download virtual machine we need to search for Oracle VirtualBox on Chrome browser. Scroll a little down. Click on this website. Scroll a little down. Here you will find VirtualBox for Windows. Click to download. I have downloaded it previously, so let's continue to next thing. Now we need a Kali Linux ISO file. Search for Kali Linux on Chrome browser. Click on download Get Kali. Click on Installer Images. Scroll a little down. Here you will find option for 64-bit Kali Linux. Click to download and it will get downloaded. I have downloaded it previously, so let's continue to next thing. As we have downloaded Kali Linux and VMbox, now let's install ISO file in VMbox. Open the VMbox. Click on Machine. Now select New Machine. Page for creating new machine will appear. Fill the details. Give name as Kali. This is the folder where your machine data will be stored. You can change it as per your need. Select the ISO file which we downloaded. Now select Next. Next page will appear for hardware selection. You can select the RAM which you want to give for Kali. Select the processor you want to give for Kali. Now select Next. Next page is for the storage, so how much storage you want you can give to Kali. Now select Next. Here is the summary about all the information we filled. Now select Next. Here you will see the Kali Linux machine. Select the Kali Linux. Now click the Start option. Now the virtual machine will power up. Here Kali Linux BIOS menu will appear. Maximize the screen for better experience. Select the graphical install option. Select the language you want. Select the country as per need. For me it's India. Select the keyboard language you want. I will keep it American English. It will extract the files. It will configure the network. Now give the host name as Kali. Click the Continue. Keep the domain name empty. Click the Continue. Enter the name of user. Click the Continue. Here username will appear. Click the Continue. Now enter the secure password as per your need. Click the Continue. Now it's time to select the partition. Select the first option, use entire disk. Here the storage will appear which we given previously. Click the Continue. Now select all files in one partition option. Click the Continue. Now select the Finish partitioning option. Click the Continue. We have made changes in disk, so select Yes, you have made the changes. Click the Continue. The base system will get installed. Now select the software you want. If you don't want any additional setting, keep all default options. Click the continue. Now the files will get extracted and installation will occur. This is optional task. It will not appear on your screen for first time. If it appears, do the following. Select the Yes option to install the Grub bootloader to your primary drive. Click the Continue. Select the Hard Drive option. Click the Continue. The installation process will occur. Installation is finished. Now please choose Continue to reboot the system. The machine will get restarted. Now the Kali Linux will boot up. Enter the username and password you filled at the time of installation and click the Login option. So finally the Kali Linux will start successfully. Select the View option and select the full screen mode. Here the Kali Linux desktop will appear successfully. If you found the video informative, then please do like, subscribe and share the video with your friends.